Hello everyone, I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor, working in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about application authentication. So for every application use, we have to do the authentication operation. So here we are checking whether this particular user is authenticated or authorized. So single factor authentication such as password too risky for critical applications for example guessing of password, sniffing of packets if passwords are not encrypted. So passwords reused by users across many sites, spyware which captured password. So everyone can hack our passwords with different ways. So that way is given here. So we didn't say our password is hacked by someone. Anyone can hack our password. Two-factor authentication, passwords plus one-time password sent by the SMS. Password plus one-time password device means, for example, for a Gmail, you have given a two-step verification, means first we have to give a password. After that, it asks a secret key, or we have to give yes or no options, and we can get a call for our mobile number. So these are all the second way of authentication for a Gmail account. So like that, for every application, we can set two-step verification. So for WhatsApp also, we have the option two-step verification. We can do that all to open the WhatsApp account. So device it generates a new pseudo-random number every minute and displays to user. So user enters the current number as password. Application server generates same sequence of pseudo-random numbers to check that the number is correct. So in this way, the random number is generated based on the random number. It opens our application. Next one, man in the middle attack. Websites that pretends to be mybank.com and passes on request from user to mybank.com and passes the result back to the user. Even two-factor authentication cannot prevent such attacks. Solution for this is authentication website to user using digital certificates along with secure HTTP protocol. So if we have used two-step verification means on that time also hackers can hack our information. So on that place we have to use a digital certificate concept. So if we have given a digital certificate, we can assure that it will be secured. Next, central authentication within an organization. Application redirects to central authentication service for authentication, avoids multiplicity of sites having access to users password, LTAP or Active Directory used for authentication. For a particular organization, we can provide a central authentication concept. So we can give a password for everything. So based on the user password, we can access the application information. Next, single sign-on. Single sign-on, it allows user to authenticate once, and application can communicate with authentication services to verifies user's identity without repeatedly entering passwords. So security assertion makeup language, it stands for exchanging authentication and authorization information across security domains. For example, users from YOL signs on the to external applications such as acm.organization using user ID. So if they are using our user ID means based on single sign-on concept, it opens it. So application communicates with web-based authentication service YOL to authenticate user. If that particular user is authorized, then he or she can open and also use it. OpenID standard allows sharing of authentication across organization. So across the organization, you want to share any information means by using OpenID standard, you can share it. Next, application level authorization. So currently in SQL, doesn't allow for fine-grained authorization, such as students can see their own grades but not others' grade. So it will not be allowed. Everyone can see everyone's information because a registered number is unique. But in a particular class, all the members' registered number can be known by everyone. So database has no idea who are application user. SQL authorization at the level of tables or columns of table, but not to specific rows of a table. One workaround use view such as create a view student takes as select star from takes, but takes.id is equal since connect user ID. So from this, the student information, the particular student information will be displayed. Currently, authorization is done entirely in entire applications. So the alternative for this is fine-grained authorization. So extension SQL authorization proposed but not currently implemented. Oracle Virtual Private Database, it allows predicate to be added transparently to SQL query. Thank you. So from this lecture, you can understand about how we are providing authentication for different applications. Single sign-on, one-step, two-step verifications will be done for every application and we can access that information. Thank you.